Do you like to run?
Yes.
We should have a race.
Mm-hmm.
I think I will win.
I will win.
Oh.
Yes.
No, I will win.
I will win now.
Ready, steady, go!
So, this is where we do the long jump. We jump into the sand.
Casper, we should jump because I'm gonna win.
No, I gotta win now. I'm win.
Casper did a big jump and I did a small jump. Again.
Hands up. Hands up.
Oh, it's broken. Oh. Let's go.
Go for Casper! Go for Casper!
I've changed my clothes. Now can we go horse riding?
No, we need a hat to go horse riding.
A hat. Delivery number 3. Wait. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. No, no.
The right hat?
No. No, yeah. Oh dear. The
Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Let's go home, Ozzy. Please, can I play in the match? No. But
we do need a referee.
Thank you. Now, I want a good, clean match. That's 1 point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. One point for the blue team. And another point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. Blow it, blow it. It's a draw, and the next team to score wins. Elliot passes it to his brother. It's Elliot's team that's gonna lift the trophy today. Well done. Your team won the Dizzy Deliveries Cup.
All right there, Joe.
I think I need a drink.
Well, I think there's a cafe over there. I don't think there's any gas for the fizz.
Gas? My third delivery! Wait here! Run!
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, look, here he comes.
Gas!
I did go.
Now, can we have a fizzy drink?
Yeah.
I'm sure we can, yeah?
Yeah.
Drink, yeah.